This research uses survey to understand how people in Nabotas Barangay towns perceive and participate in fitness that involve sport skill. It's look at their enjoyment, motivation, perceived asset, and benefits of this type of activity to see it's good way to encourage more people to be physically active for better fitness and wellness. Regular motivate to vigorous physical activity (MBPA) is crucial for health, but maintaining sufficient level is a public health challenge due to the issue with motivation and adherence to traditional exercise. Sport inherently involving MBPA and offering engagement through social interaction, skill development, and play may overcome these barriers. This survey-based research aims to understand how the target population perceives using sport skill in fitness routines, investigating their interests, perceived benefits, barriers, and participation levels to inform more engaging and sustainable fitness promotion strategies. This research focuses on collecting and analyzing numerical data using a survey with structured questions that will yield data that can be counted and statistically analyzed. Example po is the percentage average. This approach is suitable for identifying patterns, trends, and relationship between variables like age and enjoyment of sport-based exercise. Let's break down the result of the survey on advocating fitness and wellness exercises, moderate to vigorous movement using sports skills. Section 1. Demographic. This section gives us profile on survey respondent. Understanding who participated is crucial for interpreting the rest of the data. Age. The majority of respondents, 62.5%, are between 21 to 25 years old. This survey primarily captured the use of young adults. Gender. There are significant gender imbalance, with 74.4% being male and only 25.6% being female. This needs to be considered when generalizing the findings. Education level. A large portion, 55%, have a high education and 37.5% have a graduate degree. This indicates a mix of educational background. Location. Most respondents, 67.5%, reside in Barangay Taos, South Navotas City. This geographical concentration might influence their access to certain sport facility or their cultural attitude toward sport. Physical activity frequency. A significant 65% engage in physical activity more than 5 days a week, which is positive sign. However, 30% only engage in activity 1 to 2 days a week, indicating a need for increased activity in this group. Type of physical activity. Running 92.5% and walking 80% are the most popular. Gym or weightlifting and team sport are also common, 60%, while yoga and dancing are less frequent. Section 2. Perception of sports skill-based MBPA. This section delves into how people feel about exercising using sports skill. Enjoyment. A large majority, 75%, strongly agree that exercising through sports skill will be enjoyable, and 67.5% agree. This strongly suggests that people find the idea of sport-based exercise appealing. Motivation. 56.4 strongly agree and 35.9% agree that they will be more motivated to exercise if it involves sport skill. This reinforces the idea that sport can be a strong motivator for physical activity. Accessibility. Perception of accessibility are more mixed, while 42.5 strongly agree and 50% are that there are enough accessible opportunity. This leave a small percentage who are neutral. Physical and mental health benefit. This is strong belief that sport-based exercise is beneficial for both physical 57.5% strongly agree, 37.5% agree, and mental well-being, 46.2% strongly agree, 46.2% agree. Exercise perception. A significant portion, 57.5% agree, 32.5% strongly agree, believe that learning sport skill would make exercise feel less like workout. This support the idea that sport can make exercise more enjoyable. Coordination and agility. 52.5% are agree, and 35% strongly agree that sport-based fitness improve coordination and agility. This highlight an additional perceived benefits behind general fitness. Social appeal. An overwhelming 80% strongly agree that the social interaction in sport makes exercise more appealing. This emphasizes the importance of social aspect of sport. So, now let analyze section 3. Survey result focusing on participating in sports skill-based MBTA. Question 1 result, the pie chart showed that 100% of the 40 respondents answered yes. Interpretation, this is a very significant finding. It indicates that all the individuals who responded to the survey have some prior experience with physical activity that incorporate sports skills. This suggests a general familiarity and potential openness to this type of exercise. Question 2 result. The bar chart showed that breakdown of current participation among the 40 respondents. Answering no is 50 respondents. 37.5% are currently not participating in sport skill-based MBTA. And answering yes with a specific activity is 25 respondents, 62.5% are currently participating with the following breakdown of the activity mentioned: jogging, basketball. This is the most frequently mentioned current activity. Volleyball, weightlifting. This is the interesting as weightlifting is not typically considered a sports skill. In the same way as the others, suggesting a broader interpretation by this respondent. Zumba, one respondent, similar to weightlifting in Zumba, is more of fitness class but can involve coordination and movement patterns. Inter- Interpretation, while everyone has tried sport skill-based MBPA in the past, a significant portion, 37.5%, are not currently engaged in it. Among those who are basketball and jogging, often incorporation, agility, and footwork are the most prevalent. The inclusion of weightlifting and Zumba suggests some respondents might interpreting the sport skill more broadly to include structure movement pattern. In question number 3, result the bar chart show the interest level in various sport of skills among 40%. 40 respondent basketball is 6 respondent, 15%, running 1 respondent, weightlifting 3 respondent, swimming 1 respondent, badminton 1 respondent, basketball sport and jogging 1 respondent, power walking 1 respondent, volleyball 4 respondent, walking 4 respondent, workout 1 respondent. Very general. Zumba 4 respondent, none. Answering none is 12 respondent. This is a significant portion indicating no specific interest in incorporating sport skills. Interpretation, where their interest in various sport skills, basketball stands out as the most popular choice incorporating to fitness routine. Interestingly, a substantial 30% of respondents indicating no specific interest. This could be due to various reasons, such as satisfactions with their current routine, lack of interest in sport, or perceived difficulty.